everyone, welcome back to a brand new BLOXBURG speed build video. Today I'm bringing you this amazing modern farmhouse inspired by Not Enough Nelson's house, mansion, castle type of deal with a modern farmhouse twist to it. It is just absolutely incredible. It is so affordable and so easy to build. Please message me on TikTok or Instagram or Gmail, which is bridgiebloxburg@gmail.com if you guys want a build. I charge Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, or Amazon gift card codes for houses. This house was not for a customer. This house was just a personal build that I quickly wanted to get done because, as you guys know, I have a daughter, so I don't have too much time to build right this second, but I do take my customers' houses very seriously and I put in as much detail and work as possible. So if you do let me build on your account, just know you're getting the best of the best. Obviously, this house isn't the best of the best. It's just my own personal house. So I just want you guys to know that when I do take commissions, my houses are much better than this. This is just for a personal house. So I hope you guys understand that. This home is worth about $150,000 to $200K, maybe even less. You could probably get it to $130K. It is very affordable for BLOXBURG, and it's huge for what you get. It has so much room. You can definitely fit 8 bedrooms in here. It's amazing. It even has a guest house, which is incredible, and a huge backyard that you can add a pool in. Here is the second floor. You guys can definitely have a high ceiling living room in this house. I didn't do the labeled layout just because I didn't want to with this house, just because it was a personal house and not for a customer. So I usually don't do label layouts with my own houses. I hope you guys have such a fantastic day. Please message me again if you guys want a build. I'm looking forward to building for you guys, and make sure to follow me on TikTok and comment down below you know, what you're thinking of this new BLOXBURG update. I've seen a few leaks and I'm so excited. I just hope it doesn't look too much like Brookhaven just because it is BLOXBURG. But if you guys want more updates on that, I do talk a lot about BLOXBURG and BLOXBURG information on my TikTok, so go and follow that if you guys want to. I'm also really sorry that in this video I kind of got like carried away by literally talking to my friends so much in this speed build on Roblox chat, and you guys will probably see what I'm talking about. I talked a lot about like summer in the ocean and stuff. Like, you guys will see what I mean when I'm filming, because my friend joined and I was just really interested in talking to my friend that I haven't talked to in a little bit, so on Roblox chat. So while I'm building, there is a lot of chatting going on, but it doesn't affect any of the speed build. It's just me talking nonsense in the chat because I was just having fun. So I hope you guys understand that. Again, it doesn't mess up any of the speed build. The speed build's the same. The speed build's still there. Nothing changes. You can still copy it so easily. So tag me if you build this. Have a good day. Keep on smiling and subscribe.
I know you don't started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
down to the ground. You're dragging me, it's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain, it sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now I'm on the ground. I know the truth. Oh, the truth. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right.